Welcome back our EVS class. Today I am going to teach about EVS class. Okay, students listen. Today I am going to teach about super senses. Okay, this lesson's topic is super senses. Okay, this bats and animals. Some animals and bats also. Yeah, see, hear, taste, smell, and feel. Okay, the sense organs is using them. Okay, then listen. Has that even happened to you? Okay, you were eating in the playground. This some girls and boys is eating the playground. An eagle flew down and took away your roti. Okay, this eagle is smell or senses is using. Okay, as you walked softly past a sleeping dog, its cat spotted at once. Okay, you dropped something sweet on the ground. Okay, and within minutes, many ants collect around it. This is a sugar, sweet. Then many ants is collected. Why does it happen? Think and tell. Animals also have different senses. Yes or no? Yes, you understand? They can see, hear, taste, smell, and feel. Some animals can see their prey from forever. Some can hear even the faintest sound. Okay. Some animals can find their friends by the smell. These animals, example, ant. Okay. The animal wood is full of examples of amazing senses. Okay, students listen. Page number 2. How did the ant recognize their friends? Okay, an ant was going along on the ground. It saw a group of ants coming from the other side. The first ant quickly come back into its hole. The ant got in the hole recognized it is the letting them. Think and tell, how did the ant know that the other ants were to its group? One ant is move, then other ant is come and the group of ants. Okay, try this and write. Okay, drop some sugar, jaggery, or anything sweet on the ground. Wait until the ants come there. Okay, questions. Book page number 2. Answer the following. Okay, how long did it take for the ants to come? It took 15 to 20 minutes for an to the come. Okay, you understand? Did one ant come first or a group of ants come together? One ant come first. Yes or no? Yes then. What did the ants do with the food? Ants carried the food to the hole. Where do they go from there? They go to the hole from there. Do they move in a line? Yes, they move in a line. Okay, this question answer is write in your EVS note. Okay, now carefully without harming the ants. Block the path for the while with a pencil. Now observe, how do the ants move? Ants climb up on the pencil by moving a line. Okay. Many years ago, a scientist did many experiments like this. Okay, the scientist is many experiences observed. He found the other ants move, they leave the small on the ground. The other ants follow the smell of the way. Now, can you guess why the ants that is when they block their path? Some male insurance can recognize their females by the smell. Okay, this ant is a female ant is smell understanding. Okay, have you ever been troubled by mosquitoes? Just think. Okay, how do they know where you are? Mosquitoes can find you by the smell by your body. Body smell. Okay. This one man is a body smell. They also find you by the smell of your sole of your feet and the head of your body. Listen, this picture is a mosquito picture. I am a silkworm. Okay, sorry. This picture is a silkworm picture. I can find my female on this many kilometers away. This silkworm smell is a kilometer away. Okay. Have you seen a dog signified the other day? What do you think it is trying to smell? Listen. Dogs mark out their own area by the road. They can make out it another. Dog has come into their area by the smell of its urine or potty. Okay, students. Okay, students, listen. Page number. This topic is over. Page number 4 and 5. You can read. Then next class is continue the lesson. Okay. Thank you, students.